Good morning, Math 5. This is your video for Wednesday, April 22nd. We are moving on with three-dimensional shapes. Today we're going to be focusing on prisms and pyramids. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this lesson, but a couple of things to remind you of. A prism has the same base on bottom as it has on top. So a triangular prism would have a triangle on the bottom, and it would also have the same triangle on top. Okay, so this is a triangular prism. Now if you look, the faces or the sides that go around are still rectangles. So every prism is going to have rectangles around the side, but we name the prism by the base, and the base is what it sits on. And in your work, the base will be shaded, so that will help you know. So these are your bases, this top and your bottom. So we would call this a triangular prism. If it has a rectangle on the bottom and a rectangle on the top, we call it a rectangular prism. But remember, prisms have two bases, a top base and a bottom base. Now, that's what is different between a prism and a pyramid. A pyramid, remember, can still have that triangle for the bottom base, but it always comes to a point at the top. I'm not very good at drawing pyramids. However, so prism, two bases, pyramid, one base, comes to a point. Now notice the pyramids are made out of triangles. So even if I had, so these are always, the prisms are always made out of rectangles on the sides. Pyramids always have triangles on the side. Because even if I did a rectangle, when I do my pyramid, what are my faces? They're actually still triangles, okay? So our pyramids make triangles and our prisms make rectangles, but the important thing is to name them by the base that they sit on, and they'll be shaded. You guys know what faces, vertices, edges are. If you're really struggling, try to find something in your house that's a 3D shape to match, and that will help you count those sides. But I think you guys will zoom through this and let me know if you have any questions.